All right, flutes, this is the video for number 13. Now, first step, always clap and count it. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now there's the repeat sign there, which means go back to the beginning and do it all over again. Now let's talk about the letters. Now the note names are not written in on this. Now on your book at the bottom it says write in the letter names. I'm going to say no. This is the first time where you're going to have to practice reading the letter names without looking at anything underneath or in the note itself. Up until this point, all of your notes have had the letter written inside of them. This is where you need to use the art side of your brain and look at the line or the space that the circle is in. So just to review, hold up your hand. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, B, D, F, E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. Spaces, ready, go. F, A, C, E, F, A, C, E. Spaces spell my face. Now, if you're looking at these here, take your time. Figure out each note slowly and steadily, and then when you know all of the letters, don't try to memorize them in order. Practice just reading them. So, first we're going to figure out what is this first letter. This first note, it's on the third line. E, G, B. So that's our B flat. Next one is in a space. F, A, C. It's in that third space. E, G, B, D. F, A, C, E flat. And then E, G, B, D, F. Now some of these you're just going to know right away. Some of them you have to think about for a little while. So figure out each one as you go. Take a minute. Pause the video. I'm going to pause my video. Take a minute and write. Don't write it in, but take your pencil and touch each note head and look at where it is on a line or a space. Remember, it's the circle part, the note head part, that tells you if it's on a line or a space. Okay? Now I'm going to pause my video. I'm going to write the letters in just so you can check your work. But then, in order to pass it off, you have to have it all erased and be looking at the lines and the spaces. All right. Now, remember, you're not writing this in. This is just so you can check your work. Pause the video here. Double check that you are saying the right notes. And then we're going to erase it when we start playing it. So, I hope you paused the video. Now let's show and tell. 1, 2, ready, go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, 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 rest. D, E flat, D, C, B, D, B. Now I went slow and steady. Now we are going to erase this bottom line. Oh, no more writing in. Now you got to use your eyeballs and the shapes to figure out what the letters are. So let's do it again. Ready, go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, 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 rest. D, E flat, D, C, B flat, F, B flat. Oh, wait, did I say a wrong note there? I did. That's not F. That's D, B flat, D, B flat. Now, why did I say B flat on this one? Well, if the first B is made flat, it automatically makes all the B's in that measure also flat. Okay? Now, we're going to play.